The available hands-free access feature makes it easy to open the power tailgate while your hands are full, and the walk-away close feature takes convenience to a higher level as well. With the Smart Entry remote in your possession, make a kicking motion under the middle of the rear bumper. A sensor under the vehicle will detect this motion and trigger the power tailgate to open. You can also close the tailgate using the same technique. Or you can use the walk-away close feature. Again, make sure you've got the Smart Entry remote with you. Push the walk-away close button on the driver's side of the cargo area. Within 30 seconds of pressing the button, walk at least 3 feet away from the vehicle. Lights will flash and a beeper will sound, and the tailgate will power closed. Plus, if you've enabled the walk-away auto lock feature and all the doors are closed, the vehicle will automatically lock.